Watch light.
BIGFOOT. Lane.
Lane is your winner. Drivers ready.
Hey.
Watch the light.
Barely tame.
Barely tame, you're a winner. Drivers ready.
Yep.
Watch the light. Apple is your winner.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw that.
Again, drivers ready. Watch the light. And no. Watch the light.
Orange truck.
Okay. Nuclear orange is.
Here we go.
Drivers ready.
Hang on.
All right. Watch the light.
Oh.
Drivers ready. Watch the light. BIGFOOT. Up to the line is BIGFOOT 4 and BIGFOOT 4. Rhodes has lane choice. Drivers at the line. Drivers ready.
I bet we know who's going to win.
Watch the light. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if a BIGFOOT truck wins this race.
BIGFOOT.
Rhodes is your winner.
I'll go red. It sounded.
Drivers ready. Watch the light. Could be one of our better races of the day. Isaac takes the victory. Cameras ready.
Yeah.
Cameras are ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Back 'em. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Lippy of it is what you Drivers ready. Watch the light.
Yeah, you know, it's all.
Drivers ready? Watch light. Drivers driving in the red lane. Please welcome Scott Hart, Magna. And in the blue lane, Isaac Ankrum, Burlington. We are lined up. We are ready to go. Drivers ready. You freaking. Drivers ready. Watch the light.
Oh!